What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sajid and this video I am making only for you. Guys, do you know how you can register your vehicle with Careem? If not, so watch this video. Today I will let you know one by one how you can register your vehicle with Careem with easy way. So guys, before starting the video, I have one request to all of you. If you are new in this channel, so subscribe my YouTube channel and click on like button. If you have any doubt or any questions, you can send message by comment. Okay, so we are going to starting the video. Just watch this video full and today you can learn how you can register with the Careem. So guys, first of all you have to install the Careem Captain application from Play Store or Apple Store. Then open the Careem Captain application. Then you have to give the permission, background permission. It will be open. Then you are new in this Careem application. So first of all you have to click become a captain. After that one more page there will be open. Then here you need to choose your location, your city. So my city is Abu Dhabi. Okay, so then you have to put your mobile number. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my mobile number here. Then click the sign up now. It will take some time because my internet is very slow. See here there is two options, salaried captain and Emirati captain. So guys, Emirati only for locals. Okay, salaried captain, this is for you, for any nationality they can apply it here. So we have to click at salaried captain. Okay, here you can see here lot of things like you have to upload the all required documents. This is the must. How you can upload, I will let you know one by one. See, you can check first of all profile picture, embrace ID front and back, then your driving license front, then your car registration front and back also, then your trans card. This is trans card only for Abu Dhabi. Okay, if you are in Dubai, so there must you have to keep your RTA card. So guys, we have to upload the profile picture. Look at here. Okay, so we are going to upload the first profile picture. Profile picture must be with white background. Okay, after upload, click the OK button and uploading here. Look at here, uploaded successful. Then you have to upload your embrace ID front. After embrace ID, then you have to upload the embrace ID back side also. Be careful, this documents should be clear. Okay, after click the camera button, you have to check again. Okay, everything is clear. So then click OK. Then your driving license front. After driving license, you have to upload your car registration. Okay, so car registration I'm keeping empty. Now I am uploading our trans card, ITC card. Okay, ITC card also is done. So then I have to upload our passport only first page, no need second page there. you can see. Now I'm going to register the our car registration, okay, like mulkia. So mulkia first, car registration front side, then car registration back side also, because without filling the all required documents we cannot submit the next button, okay. So we have to upload the all required documents. Passport first page. Okay, now you can see I already uploaded the all required documents, okay. Then I will click on the next button. After next button, guys, you can see here we have here some training, online training. There is two types of training, online and offline also, okay. Offline means you have to went at the Careem office, then they will provide you one training. So I will suggest you it's better just take it the online, because it's only for some time, only for 5 to 10 minutes. You can easily pass out.
Map, you will see the location of the customer's pickup and drop-off location. To accept the trip, press click to accept. And if you're not ready, you can press reject to cancel.
So guys, just just watch this video, okay. There is 3 or 4 types of video. Then they will ask you some question, you have to give the answer also, okay. Once you will pass, so after 24 hours, okay, they will verify your documents, okay. So after verified, your ID will be open. Also for verification, you can send the email to Careem after registered the all required documents and just complete the training also. After that, just send one email, mention there one screenshot also, and just write the one short emails, not a long, okay, short emails. Then Careem will see and Careem will verify as soon as possible. So guys, I hope this video is very useful for all of you, and if you like this video, so just click on the like button, and if you have questions, so just update me. I will let you know if you have any problem or any question, okay. Thank you very much, guys.